Hello. Well, guess what time it is? Yeah, it's that time, all right. It's time for a real unboxing. So I'm going to unbox something that I'm pretty excited about. Just here shortly. Well, here it is. An unboxing video. I think it's my first one. I don't think I've done any unboxing videos before. So we'll see how it goes. That's for sure. So I'm having a tasty bite of chicken strips. I'm pretty hungry while I do this unboxing. Good stuff. Got a little chicken grease on my fingers. All right, let's get started. So are we going to be able to do this with one hand? I don't know. But first of all, I do believe I need to get under this corner. Have this pair of scissors. I'm going to cut that tape. Very difficult. Well, don't cut toward yourself with scissors, son. You get hurt. All right, let's go down to this other end. Do the same thing. Looks like this guy got pounded on some on this end. That's for sure. All right. Then we're going to step back and try to get a grip on this thing. Dig our fingers. We want to set this camera down real quick. In the dishes, of course. Oh, put it in the dishes strainer, are you? Yep. And we're going to try to get a hold of this and just start peeling this. That's glued really good right there. What's that where it comes apart at? Yeah, that's a solid box. That has to be where it comes apart at. Let's try a super stiff butter knife. We can't get that up under there. Get some of that glue broke up. If I slip, it might hurt, but I ain't gonna get cut too bad with a butter knife, I'd hope. Well, I can see that's gonna take, whoa, hooked up on stuff. That's going to take a minute or two to try to peel in that way. So, how about we do this? How about we turn it this way? Have another tasty chicken strip. And we'll grab the scissors and cut this out. Let's go. A horrible unboxing video. All right, so we're into that part. Now, I expect I want to put a trash can under this guy. I got a feeling foam is going to fall out. Right? Yep. There's what you got on the inside. Down in there. So let me set this camera. I got a little tripod I bought, garbage. Should have did a review on it. There's so much stuff that you can buy that is just pretty much useless junk. All right. I guess you can see. Let me see if I can pull this dude out. chair out the way. This is a pretty tough item. It shouldn't be able to bust it up none of it, I would think. It's not like made of scrap metal, that's for sure. All right. There we go. We got that off of her. There's what she looks like. Let her bite a tasty chicken strip. I'm so hungry today. And it's like spitting snow out there. We had some snow, but it went away. And it's trying to come back. So we'll clip this right there. And we'll clip this right there. Hold that back. Oh, wow. We're getting a picture here. All right. And then, I guess we'll cut a little bit here in the bubble wrap, just lightly on the surface. Right. And then there's a little here. I'm going to tell you, this is for protection. I'm wrapping these guys pretty darn tight. Okay. And there's that. And you come up here. And you'll find some more on the end. Here. Just kind of get through that a little bit. Take it off. That's just packing tape. Is not that difficult to get off of there. Have to nip it in the bud. Difficult part is trying to remember to keep the daggone camera on this stuff. And then you got your hands tied. You can't, well, you can see what it is. It's coming to light. You slide it in a little bit. Turn it over. And I might be able to put this under my armpit, pick this up, move this here packing forward some. So, and then go ahead and put the rest of this off of there. There's a little more tape right there that needs clipped. Set this puppy free from the old packing. It's got a nice wad over the end of it. Now we're just getting there, huh? And there's that. And now we can pick this dude up, turn it around. And there is what we got. It is called Potsdam. Yep, that's what it is. And that's a nice looking deal. I'm liking it. All right, well, that's the unboxing. So we shall, okay, look at that. Nice. All right, we'll get some cloths and wipe her all down, get some of that grease off of it. That'll be that. Well, there we go. That's the unboxing of the Potsdam Military Heritage flintlock musket. right? And it looks nice. It's a dandy. I'm going to take her downstairs, and we'll wipe some of the little bit of the grease off of her and everything. And look forward to getting this baby out here in the near future and taking some shots with it. Thank you, Military Heritage. Really, really nice. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk at you later on my first unboxing video. Oh my gosh. Wow, the camera's probably horrible, so when I see it, I'm probably gonna say, oh man, are you kidding me? Oh well. Tasty chicken. That's the most important thing. Tasty chicken. Well, there you have it. The unboxing of the Potsdam 1740 Prussian military infantry musket, which ran for years and years and years. I don't know, Germany's longest running gun, over 100 years. And then I think they converted it to percussion, all that fun stuff. But it's pretty nice. I like it. I'm very happy. And they even wrote thanks on the box. They were happy that I got it, and I'm certainly happy. Happy I do. Yeah. All right. So hey, my first unboxing video. I haven't checked it. I haven't put it together yet, but I call it editing, I guess, because I'm gonna have to piece that together, trying to make it not too long. Didn't want to bore anybody to death while I was enjoying myself and having some chicken. So anyhow, nice snowy day out here, about 30 degrees. It's cold, and it's a good day for that kind of entertainment, right? All right, well, hey, signing off, and we will try to get another video up as soon as we can. This gets addictive, you know. You might not want to start it, because then it's like, oh man, I got to do a video. And then I think maybe I'm just in love with myself. And I want to see me on camera, mate. Ah, yeah, yeah. I speaking the Deutsch now. Got that Potsdam rifle. Yeah, yeah.